In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a full FAQ page on Shopify. Let's start right from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Online Store. Click on that, and it will expand to show more options underneath. From those options, select Pages. This is where all of your static pages live, like About, Contact, and now your FAQ. In the top right corner of the Pages screen, click on Add Page to create a brand new one. Inside the page editor, the first thing you'll want to do is give your page a clear name. In the title field at the top, type something like FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions. This title is what your customers will see in your navigation, so keep it short and obvious. Next, move down to the Main Content field. This is where you'll actually write out your FAQs. A helpful way to structure this is by grouping questions into sections. For example, you might start with an Orders section. Here you can talk about estimated delivery times, how long processing usually takes, and remind customers to review their order details carefully before they check out, so they know what to expect. You can then add a Payments section. List the payment methods you accept, like major cards or digital wallets, and consider mentioning that you use a secure checkout. Even a short note such as 100% secure checkout can help build trust. Another key section is Returns and Refunds. Explain your return window, basic conditions, and how a customer can start a return. It's helpful to mention where they can contact you or link to a contact form so they know exactly what to do if there's an issue. If you sell digital products, add a section specifically for that. Let customers know that download links are usually sent by email, and suggest they check their spam or junk folder if they can't find it. You can also direct them to a support link for faster help. You can expand your FAQ even further with sections like shipping and tracking, product information, discounts and promotions, account and login, customer support, privacy and security, custom orders, or subscription and membership details. The content box supports rich text, so feel free to use headings, bold text, or links to make everything easy to scan. Once your content looks good, scroll down to the search engine listing section. Click the little pencil icon to edit how this FAQ page appears in search results. Here you can customize the page title, the meta description, and the URL handle. Aim for a clear title and a short, descriptive summary that mentions it's your FAQ page, so both search engines and visitors understand what it is. Now, take a look at the right-hand sidebar. Under Visibility, choose whether you want this page to be visible right away or hidden until you're ready to launch it. Setting it to visible publishes it to your store. Keeping it hidden allows you to prepare it in advance. Just below that, you can choose the template the page will use. Most of the time, the default page template is fine, but if your theme includes a special FAQ template, you can select it here to get a more styled layout or collapsible question sections. When you're done, don't forget to save your work. At the top of the screen near the search bar, or down at the bottom right, click the Save button. Once it's saved, your FAQ page is created. From there, you can add it to your store's navigation so customers can easily find answers whenever they need them.